Hadian ke Jingpynjulor, kabla ujor unong snong ke Assam, ujitul deka, kabede bat ke Jingpynjulor ya ke Mariang kabla wanra ke Jingslei KHASI. Kaying bishar Supreme Court kelatungi ke Central Empowered Committee kabla penlong ya ke Jinglet Jurip ke babnya hakiling ke Jaka ke badan Hari Bhoi District ha ke khatway terik unaitung. Kani ke komiti kala Leit ketika Jaka kentup ru sya USDM bat syiki karkhana tiliat mau ki badan hajan bentokit. Deputy Commissioner ke Bhoi Abilash Barunwal. Ulai thu bakabor penyak district hadian beklayo jingtip nak katanat klau jong ke jela kila penbiang yi ki magister bat ki pulit bat pentikna bakani ke jingwan Jurip kania bet klem kanu ke jingsha pentut.
His claim is that this deforestation is leading to floods in Guwahati, as a result of which some committee has been, a central empowered committee has been constituted by Supreme Court, and on 11th that central empowered committee undertook its field inspection in the killing area as well as USDM and some of the mining areas. We received information from the forest department since this matter of deforestation or the alleged earth cutting, etc., they fall in the domain of forest department. So the Central Empowered Committee coordinated with the forest department. We received information from them regarding this visit. So that's why we have deputed one magistrate and made some law and order arrangements.